that. Okay, we need to unlock the brake and pull on some slack. Okay, we're going to attach the cable to the cable reel and then spin the cable reel. One off and one tape here, and number 2 tape off here and here. 6. 1, 2, 3. This one connector off, pull out. Unscrew the bolt here. So we're going to unscrew the second bolt here. The hinge is here, so we need to open this way. And take out the cord. Put your cable under the grease and on the slot. Insert the cable in the slot, top of the lever, and push it in. It should move freely in your gears. Then your 2 screws in the hole. So tighten them until they are, touch your connector here, find the slot, and spin to lock. You want to pull the cable up so it's straight, and you slide it down in the hole. And screw in your 6 screws. I need tape on both sides.
이렇게 하는데 다시 이제 보여드리면 이거 잡아 빼면 어떻게 되냐면 얘가 자유롭게 움직여. 이렇게 프리하게 자유롭게. 여기하고 여기가 정렬이 딱 돼야 돼. 이렇게 일자로 요거하고 여기가 이렇게 일자로 들어가야 되네. 일자로. 이게 돼 있잖아. 지금 그렇게 안 돼 있나?
예, 지금 그렇게 안 돼 있습니다.
그렇게 안 돼 있지. 이렇게 원래는 쿡쿡.
Okay, you need to make sure that your emergency brake on here, the light comes through those 3 spots. So you need to make sure it's released, turn your power on, put your speed up, and you're going to grab the cable with the soft part of your glove and turn up the tension just a little bit, and it's going to wrap easily on the cable drum. Controlled by the grip of your hand. So here you put your silicone on your cable wire for your waterproofing, and this one needs to be tight, this one needs to be a little loose, this one needs to be tight, and like this. So this one's tight, this one's a little loose, and then attach with your screws here and your T-wrench. Now we're all finished.